Please, my lord.
Yes.
Application for anticipatory bail, my lord. Allegations are under section 302, my lord.
302.
302.
Yes.
11 persons are named in the FIR on an allegation, my lord, by the
Let us see
wife.
the FIR.
My lord. Page 11 of the petition. Page 11, my lord. This is a written,
पढ़िए, आगे पढ़िए.
my lord. प्रार्थनी के पति स्वर्गीय सच्चिदानंद मिश्रा को गांव के ही बिकलू मिश्रा, कन्हैया मिश्रा, संतोष मिश्रा, पिटिशनर्स ऑल्सो नेम मिलो, ने मिलकर सामूहिक रूप से जिनके साथ जमीन का विवाद था, जिसमें दिनांक 19 अप्रैल 2016 जिसकी वाद संख्या PS 78/1986 को निर्णय प्रार्थनी के पति के पक्ष में आया था, जिसमें सुलह समझौता करने के लिए बिकलू मिश्रा द्वारा फोन करके बुलाया गया और दरवाजे से अपने साथ लेकर गांव के ही निकट विवादित स्थल पर ले गए।
What kind of a person are you? 50 people are assaulting the deceased only because he has succeeded in a civil case.
And that,
would I look for the individual act of assault?
there is no.
This is dastardly act. Now, how many persons would assault one unarmed person? He is calling his wife to inform the police. By the time police reaches, you have battered him to pulp. Sorry.
Let's,
Somebody may have been granted anticipatory bail in this case, but I am not inclined. Anybody has been granted anticipatory bail?
only two things I would submit, my
No,
lord.
no. Has anybody been granted anticipatory bail?
My lord.
That might perhaps weigh in your favor, but I don't
My
know.
lord, that I have not examined, my lord. Only thing I would submit, my lord.
I am not
This-
inclined to grant even a shred of relief to you. This is cowardice. Had you fought with him on a duel, perhaps I would have granted you bail.
My lords will only consider one aspect of the matter, my
Yes.
lord. The decree of 2016, and this panchayati is being called in 2018.
Why?
And
Is it not possible?
no, it may be possible.
After the decree, there is a provision for first appeal, then
No,
second
nothing
appeal.
happened. Nothing
It may
happened.
not
There is
have
no
happened,
appeal
but
on.
therefore the parties wanted a settlement. You did not, the deceased did not agree for it, you have battered him to pulp. Let us see the post-mortem. We are not inclined.
My lord, there is no allegation, any specific. The lady claims to be eyewitness. She says this, she reaches the phone she receives, my lord. They are beating him, and he gets enough time to call his wife, call police. She
Post-mortem
reaches
क्या
also.
है? What is the nature of
My lord,
injury on his
that
body?
is another story, my lord. That he gets. It is alleged that on 31st of March this allegation takes place. Then she claims that he was taken to the PHC, then to Betia hospital. The hospital refuses. Then she goes to Lucknow. In Lucknow he dies. My lord, how he died, where?
All right. This may be a ground for me to see the diary.
My lord, and another thing, my
All
lord.
right, heard Mr.
This,
I
this
don't
my lord,
argue for
FIR is being registered 20 days after that.
That's right.
This
I've
another.
seen that. Heard Mr. Amarendranath Verma, learned advocate for the petitioner and so and so for the state. The petitioner seeks bail in anticipation of his arrest in connection with so and so. The husband of the informant has been assaulted by many accused persons, including the petitioner, for not having acceded to the request for compounding the civil case with the accused persons. The Appellant Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that there is no specific accusation against him, and the prosecution case has lot many wedges for it to be taken as sacrosanct. The occurrence is said to have taken place on 31st of March 2018, but the FIR has been registered on 24 2018. Apart from this, it has been submitted that the deceased was treated at Lucknow. The circumstances under which he did not get treatment in the local hospital, and the reason for his death are not known. Call for the case diary and list this matter on receipt of the same on a date in the first week of February.
2nd of February.
The petitioner, in the meanwhile, in the event of arrest or surrender, shall be released on provisional bail on his furnishing bonds in the sum of Rs 10,000, two sureties of like amount.